Welcome to the Don Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we will show you how to make Baba Ghanoush. Baba Ghanoush is a creamy and smoky eggplant dip that is extremely popular in the Middle East. It is made using just a few ingredients, but is packed full of flavor and is extremely addictive. It is a firm favorite in our house. So let's move on to the recipe now. Baba Ghanoush can be refrigerated for a few hours and served chilled, or at room temperature if you prefer. It is traditionally served with hot pita bread, but is also perfect with fresh veggies such as cucumber, carrot, or celery sticks. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's recipe and consider subscribing to our channel for more delicious recipes. And with that, catch you in the next one.